Battle Pass Sideshop. How to play. All you need to do is to collect all 5 or any one of the tier 5 heroes and then collect them to make it a blue gem. And then if you collect uh, I guess 30 plus 35 blue gems, you can trade it with Arcana, any random Arcana. So this is a short tutorial on how to do side shops. I got 2,933 gold and I have 9 blue gems and 142 reds. Okay, I'll try to reroll heroes to get any one of tier 5 heroes. Let's do it. I got 2 Medusas and 1 Void, 1 Gyro. Alright, I have 1 Medusa. So that's 2 star. You need to get 3 more Medusa to make it a 3 star and then collect it for 3 blue gems. Okay, let's do it, guys. So it's hard.
I'll plague you.
This is kind of boring, but you need to do it if you want Arcanas. By the way, my technique is I'm trading all my treasures, TI10 treasures, the dupe ones into 100 side shop gold. I recycled it for 100 side shop gold. So these are the remaining items that I have from treasures 1 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, back to side shop. Let's do it.
I relapse.
The mysteries renew me.
The Dragon Console.
Great the Reaper.
Oh shit, I forgot to get techies. I missed to get techies. It happens a lot. Mm.
I relapse.
The Air Dragon waits.
You can see on the audio, usually forced 4 golds and 5 gold heroes are the ones who got what you call that, taunt or what you call that, I forgot, a war cry or something. So even though you're not looking, you hear something, just stop and check if it's 4 gold or 5 gold.
Frost
Like
Blade.
that. Lich talks.
This ice ain't nice.
If you roll, there's no 4 gold or 5 euros. There's no audio. So you can look anywhere, just listen. But if you hear something, just stop re-rolling. And then look if it's 5 gold. Me, I don't collect 4 golds. I
The Dragon
just
Console.
get 5 golds one.
Comes the
Artosh is Dosh.
I relapse.
I'm not looking, I'm just listening to the
I'm
audio.
Tonga.
If someone's talk, I stop re-rolling. And then look if it's 5 gold. And then I get it. It's kind of boring, but you need to do it because it's a free arcana if you're lucky.
The mysteries renew me.
I'll plague you.
Right, that's how I do it. I think I'm gonna end the video because this is quite too long. I got 2,730. This might get boring, but that's how I do it. Thank you guys. Stay safe and God bless you. Bye.